Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek and today you will learn how to create really nice reflections in After Effects using a free plugin. So let's begin. Alright, so this plugin is developed by Copilot and I'll put a link in the description from where you can download it. So after opening the website, just simply click on this button and it will download the plugin. The installation is very easy. All you have to do is just simply copy and paste the file into the plugins folder. And after that, you can open up After Effects. Alright, so right now I'm in After Effects and let's see how this works. So this plugin works on any layer, for example, a text layer, image, video, whatever you want. So all you have to do is just simply search for Copilot Reflect and just simply drag it onto the layer on which you want to add the reflection. And you can see that there are a bunch of different options over here. So just play around with these. For example, you can change the floor position. Now you can see we have this really nice reflection over here, something like this. And you can play around with the reflection angle. If your text is at a particular angle, you can also control the reflection distance and the fall off however you want. And there are a bunch of different options, like you can add a little bit of color or tint to the reflection, and you can also change its opacity, something like this. Now you can add a blur to this, just like that. If you want to make this really nice, something like this. Now you can also use this feature, blend style. You can just simply click on blend original. So now you can see that our reflection is behind our main layer. So this is very handy. If you see some clipping in the text like this, then you can use this option. And there are a bunch of different things that you can do with this plugin. For example, I have created this really nice fake shadow using the same plugin. All I did was just change a couple of these settings and just change the tint color to black. And now you can see we have this really nice reflection. And you can also add a bunch of different effects onto the reflection itself. So in order to do that, let me just quickly change the color to white. And let's increase the opacity. So if you want to add some effects to the reflection only, then you can do that. So just search for the effect that you want to apply. So let's search for fractal noise and I'm going to drop it onto this. So now you can see that the effect is applied on all of this, and we can add a bunch of contrast and just play around with these settings. And on top of it, let's search for CC composite and just drag it onto this. Now all you have to do is just simply change this, uncheck the RGB only. Now here you can see that we have the effect applied only onto the reflections, and you can play around with the properties just like that. Now this also works in 3D space. So for example, I have a 3D scene over here in which we have a camera, light and a flow, and also we have our text. So if I move around, you can see this is a 3D scene, and if I want to add some 3D reflections to this, I can do that. But there is a small catch. If I apply the reflection on top of this text directly, you can see that there are a bunch of different problems. That first of all, the reflection won't be visible because it is cut off by the plane. And if I somehow manage to get it by simply moving the floor and text, again it won't follow your text once you start moving the camera, something like this. So the workaround for that is you can just simply remove all the effects, just pre-compose the text layer or whatever you have, and just click on OK. Now after that, you can apply the reflect plugin, and now you can see that we have this really nice reflection. And let me just play around with these properties. Now let's turn this 3D, and you can see that our layer is being cut off. So in order to fix this, all you have to do is just create an adjustment layer and just move it below the comp. Now you can see we have really nice reflection, and the best thing is that these works in 3D space. So there you go. Now you can see we have really nice 3D reflections in our scene. So this also works with text layer. So if you drag a text layer and let's scale this down, let's place it over here and let's apply VC reflect. So now you can see that we have the same reflection onto our image as well. So this is how you can create very quick reflections in After Effects using this free plugin, and all credit goes to Copilot for providing these kind of free stuff. So that's it for this video, and if you have any queries or questions, then you can ask in the comments below. So with that being said, my name is Abhishek and I'll see you in the next one.